Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to add a Snapchat poll. Adding a poll allows you to engage with your friends and followers, gathering their opinions and insights. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. By default, the app will open to the Explore section, also known as the Camera section. Take a picture by tapping the Capture button at the bottom center of the screen. Step 3. Once you've taken your picture, it's time to add a poll sticker. Tap on the sticker icon located on the right side of the screen. Then, navigate to the Star section and tap on Poll. Step 4. Type in the question you want to post the poll about. You can ask anything you like, such as, which movie should I watch tonight? Or what's your favorite food? Step 5. Position the poll sticker wherever you want on your picture. You can drag it around and resize it to fit your preference. Step 6. Once someone wants to interact with the post, they just have to tap on the thumbs up or thumbs down option, depending on their answer to the poll question. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a Snapchat poll and engage with your friends and followers, gathering their opinions and insights. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.